about feeling. Feeling brings us to the present. As we feel our souls, we can experience the knowledge through our inner sun, that light that is wise. We believe that all light is wise. There is no light that's not wise. That's why when we have a very important question, important decision to make, we go to our hearts. There is the answer. But light is always in service. Love is always in service. There is no love that's not in service. So in the Andean world, we believe it's not really about the concept, it's about how we experience life. When we are aware that we have an incredible mother, the Mother Earth, and we see that